Khatongmani mariwo kuchugo ka shaka Tripura Hasteni GST remong 2016-17 bishiwa GST faika 8.21 crore 2022-23 bishiwa GST faika 982.50 crore Phasalo Netaji Chomni amsayo kotalkhe tangja customs te GST babano Phiyogwi dumani pandawa abahaino kok shaka Hakotorni Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman Shalwini bagai fashal Tripura hasteu fai shok faizak Hakotorni Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman MBB birkhung kholawo thangai bono lamjak shokha Hasteni Mantri Okra Dr Manik Shaha te Haste BJP ni ajukfang Rajiv Bhattacharji fashal shairiko kaisa pandani bishingti Phiyogwi Rwjakha Rwjakhor agulini Netaji Chomni amsayo tangjak customs te GST bhavan ni doglam Jatikathar mushungai pandano chengshawai rukha Hakotorni Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman aboni yagulo ribon rawai katal customs te GST bhavan ni doglam na Phiyogwi Hakotorni Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman Pandao kok shanani thangai Hakotorni Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman Shakha Katalo GST Bhavan Phiyogwi Rwjakmani bai kebengmung korikhe samung khlaiye manai GST betingni ojamarok abo haikheno jungjalok laijak GST ronani final lukurok khatungmani mariwo kuchugo kasakha Tripura Hasteni GST rumung 2016-17 bishiyo GST faika 8.21 crore 2022-23 bishiyo GST faika 982.50 crore hunoi
And that is true of 2016-17, the year 17, the year before GST was introduced. Whereas in 22-23, the year which ended as of March 23, Tripura collects 982.50 crores from interstate trade. Where is 4.21 crore and where is 982, 4.21 versus 982.50 crores, 982.50 crores within a matter of 5 to 6 years. So post GST, the collection and the revenue generation for Tripura has been extremely favorable. Where it was single digit, it's gone to 3 digits in crores. So interstate trade has now been greatly facilitated, and therefore I think it is showing on how GST has actually meant good for the northeast states, and Tripura's number is almost enviable. Of course, Tripura needs a lot more resources. But the fact that within 6 years, under the same head, you're getting so much more proves the need for the greater coordination through the GST. And of course, with GST coming in, more businesses have come into the system. However, with an office like this, with a Bhavan like this, and which has kept the citizen in mind, I would think it's necessary for us all, to do an outreach along with the state government so that more small businesses understand that they stand to benefit by enrolling in the GST. By staying away, many of the benefits which accrue to the GST registered companies are not available if they stay out. Even if they are just composition, those who opted for the composition system, they still derive a lot of benefits. Large companies do not want to buy or procure goods or service from non-GST institutions. It will do well for more and more institutions to come into the GST fold, for which now that you have a building in your hand, it will be important to call the trade small associations or big associations and interact with them to say, through their members, get more people enrolled.
Pandao Manzaka Revenue Department ni Secretary Sanjay Malhotra, CBIC ni Chairman Vivek Johri, Zonal Chairman Alok Shukla, CPWD ni Chief Engineer Rajesh Bhagwani no khoboi hastete Hakotor hapangni kuchuk o jamaro. Rwjakha aguli ni Shimi Krishanoni kokthum Chini Khorang.